they control all the freedom of religion. You hundred in the come back at the beginning. Separate the church, the state, but in discipline. Ain't no telling what's in the way, so take up your position. Ain't no time to be afraid, it's time you make decision. Come to where my family place it down and you listen. Tell you about the day that the anger that finished after the missed them. Bombing with his family, brave, but it did not make the children. Our Oscars turned to a grave, I hear people listening. It's the beauty, quick to the table, supposed to be raising our children. It's amazing, I'm amazing, my first building in the land that we're living in communities and in religion. The blue laws are been dead, we've now beginning. We were all repentant, we were all forgiven. When you play your shit to be winning, you only get one shot to be there.
I've been on the road, so little time, so much to go. So much truth, love to pollute the land. We like leaders, we expect for God to lead us to our beats of the world that lead us alive. That lead us
Nothing in life is as it seems. As far as I'm concerned, purple might as well be green. Nowadays you can trust your child with a teacher or a priest. The people in the world with the face of a lamb and the hearts of a beast. The new look in my ability to police. The government them up and then you and I can't conceive. I mean acting like a king, but I can play. I'm away, living in a light day. The money change, the mother that to stay the same. The money change, the mother that to stay the same. Babylon is on the rise. Can you see it in their eyes? World leaders drunk off of wine. Babylon is on the move. So little time, so much to do. So much truth left to pollute with her life. Babylon, you're gone burn down. Can you hear this trumpet sound? The truth is made its way to town. And you say, wait is the gate, broad is the way to utter destruction, Yahweh said. Small is the door, narrow the road that it leads to life, said it leads to life. Wait is the gate, broad is the way, utter destruction, Yahweh said. Small is the door, narrow the road that it leads to life, that it leads to life. Choose the life.
A happy song that is portrayed to be. It is a song saying goodbye from a people who don't say goodbye. She want that one. She want that one.
Now